It's time now to go to our weekly legal line. Our legal analyst, Jeff Hosford, is here from Hosford Law Firm, and we want to keep the subject, Jeff, on this, not necessarily that specific insurance fraud case, but insurance fraud in general. Typically when we hear about it, it is for someone filing false claims. In this case, apparently it was an agent.
Obviously in this situation it's a little different. Basically it appears what he did was file claims involving his insurance company with the insurance company that was paying him, and he actually didn't have those claims. Well, I don't know all the facts. That's what it appears to be.
When there is a case of insurance fraud, this is a case where it's going to be handled by the state. Is that correct?
Yes, it can be involved in the state or the federal government. There's laws for both. The state government typically prosecutes people when it's smaller amounts or lesser amounts, and the federal government will pick them up when they cross state lines. For example, if wiring money between state lines would make this possibly a federal charge in addition to a state charge, and or the possibility of federal charges for the insurance company paying from one state to another. That allows the federal government to prosecute people also.
And as we saw in this case, there is some jail time here involved and also restitution. Almost in all of these cases, there's going to be some restitution involved, right?
Obviously, restitution is the goal of the insurance company. They want to become whole. They're entitled to have their money back if the person still has that money. The next step would then be to punish the individual, and that individual can carry, depending on the charge, in this case it looks like 3 years up to 10 years. In some other charges, it just depends on what the charge is. If somebody takes from their own insurance company, which is more common, where somebody would claim a home fire that was started by them or something like that, is much more common than this kind of situation.
Either way, it's very serious business, and the state takes it very seriously. Always appreciate your perspective. If you have a legal question that you'd like Jeff to answer, you can always send it to us at legalline@wcbi.com. Jeff, we will see you next week.
Thank you for having me.
All right, thanks so much.